Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, let's do this week's channel shout out. Pre-mix. We've got, we got the MI Woodsman. Where's your sticker? I know I have it. Okay, so just want to say this. I was drawing, I actually drew these the other day, but I drew the MI Woodsman, and I said something that I was wrong that I said. Something that Ron T. Sawyer had said, and he called him a chicken. For not uploading. I'm guessing for not uploading, and I said something else which was wrong, so I'm redoing it. That was my mistake, and I'll own up to it. But anyway, it'd be good to see something from you, John, if you're watching. He told me that he watches on his TV, so he didn't have a chance to comment, which I understand, but it'd be nice to see a face every month, something, you know, occasionally. Be good to see you, brother. Along those lines, you know, James G, I don't know if he's even watching because he doesn't comment. I hope you're watching, brother. I hope you're well. I haven't seen you around. Man, I just hope you're all safe out there. Like all of you, whether you make videos or not. So, here's the Missing in Action Woodsman next to Hike with Mike. Bushcraft and Baseball. Carolina Chris Outdoors. Backyard Custom Knives, which I just did a video for. And then they got Backpacking with Buckley down here. Dominic Menichetti. I can't say his name. Black and White Forest Starters. I haven't seen a video from Fab Creations in a long time either. Or Open Air Fish Marshal. Although he has been commenting lately, which I appreciate. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like throwing a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.